Welcome to the Fierce Fish First Tech Challenge CAD modeling tutorial series. Our goal in this series is to provide guidance in using Autodesk Inventor for First Tech Challenge. In today's video, we are going to be looking at the interface of Inventor. So we will be using Autodesk Inventor throughout this tutorial series because it is an advanced program, and having knowledge of advanced programs like Inventor can be very helpful down the road if you decide to go that career path. So now, before we can look at the interface of Inventor, we have to actually install Inventor. Now, Autodesk is very generous where if you are a student, and you can prove that you're a student with like your school email or something like that, you can download copies of their software for free. And this website I'm on is the Education Free Software tab for Autodesk. It is linked in the description down below as well. And you can see there's a lot of software that we have access to, but we are going to be selecting Inventor. And then you need to either sign in or create an account to install it. Now, installing Inventor can take hours. I remember for this machine it took about 2 hours. It can take longer on older machines as well, so just be prepared to have to wait a long time to install it. And now that we are installed, or have installed, we can open it up. This is what the loading screen will look like, and you'll see I'm using 2019. By the time this video is published, you'll probably be using the 2021 version or later. Or you could still be using an older version, depending on when you installed Inventor. And now here we are inside of Autodesk Inventor. This is the initial screen just right when you open it up. So you'll see here we have a new tab, so you can create a new part, assembly, drawing, or presentation, and we'll explain what each of those mean. You have your projects. Really, you won't really be needing this that much. And then you have your recents if you want to open like a recent document, like our robots right there. So let's start talking about the difference between all of these. A part file has the extension .ipt, and what it is like an individual part. So let's say you have like a channel, that's a part. You have what are those things? They're compliant wheels, that is a part. So just individual parts. An assembly can be a collection of parts that are put together. An assembly is also what you'll use to assemble your entire robot in the space, and we're going to learn that throughout the next few videos. A drawing is like, you'll see assembly guides, they have different views of where to assemble things and dimensions and all that. That's what a drawing is used for. And then a presentation, it's kind of like an animated thing, so you won't necessarily be needing it for First Tech Challenge. We're not going to actually do tutorials on it, unless if you want tutorials on presentations, please let us know in the comments and we can actually do presentation tutorials because we know a lot about Inventor. So this is just very basic. It'll take you to just a basic new part. But if we want to go full on new, we're going to hit this button up here for the new, or it's actually it's right there too. So you can select English if you like inches, you can do metric for millimeters. But here you'll see the difference: sheet metal and standard for parts. These are IPT files. Standard is what we're going to start working with for custom parts once we get there. Sheet metal is kind of different because it is exactly what it is, just sheet metal. And again, if you would like us to do that, please let us know in the comments. And then IAM is the assembly extension, and you'll mostly want standard. And then we have ANSI drawing, DWG, and then we only have one option for presentation. Metric, same thing. If you want millimeters, or I'm not sure what unit that is. Oh, okay. But same way, if you like use a metric build system, maybe you'll want to do metrics. And if you use an English build system, maybe you want to do English, or a combination of both because you want to get the sizing correct and all of that. So I think that's going to be it for this video. We've successfully reviewed how to install Inventor and what each of these means and when we can use them. So that's going to be it for this video. And from all of us at Fierce Fish, we hope you have a great day.